the final showdown! Alright, let's do this! You're going down! Not this time! Do you like squirrels? Oh, give me that squirrel! Alright, knockout! Dogman, watch out! Oh my goodness! What is that? This cat! Bombs? How evil can one cat be? Pretty evil! If you don't get your Finlock words thinking... What is this music you're playing? That's how you're arrested! Shoot! Drive it! No, you're going too fast! Stop playing this music! Turn it off! Turn it off! No! Turn it off, please! Where are do-gooders? I'm going to find you, do-gooders! I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel! Oh man, actually, I like this music, so, wait, where are we going? Oh no! Not the Hollywood Dangerous Bridge! Dun, 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 I'm lost in the music! And we're gonna win a cheesesteak! How do I turn off the music? Oh, wait, I found the button! What are you guys doing here? Get out! We're just recording! Just chill! Back in Tom and Ben news! What? Blue Petey, your dad is going to jail!
Papi! I'm gonna go save him!
Anyway, back to shut up, lady! I'm trying to sleep! Shut up, Petey's dad! What?
Also, Mayor, I'm gonna make sure you go to jail too!
Oh, really? Come on, Dogman! Why is it black screen? What the... Freaking cheesesteak? Rats! What the... Rats! What the... Rats!
It looks like Petey has been arrested.
Happy!
Blue Petey! What are you doing with my Papi?
Wait, what? His what? Wait! Huh? What? Wait! Huh? Wait, what? What? What?
What you gonna do, Dogman? Gonna arrest me in front of my clone? I mean, my child! What should I do? It looks like Blue Petey is Petey's son. What is Dogman gonna do about that? Let's see what happens today.
Let him go! Wait, arrest him! I wanna see him rob the bank!
Come on, he's my son. Are you gonna arrest me? He needs me more. I'm innocent. I am, literally. You can't be friends with this.
Tucker! What the? There's so many things. Flippy! My project worked! Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel! And you got the building for Blue Card from Fortnite! Oh, you're in for it, Dogman, cause I programmed that fish to destroy do-gooders! You did what? Destroy all do-gooders! What the frick is this, Angry Birds? Why, Dogman? What? Huh? Wait, what? It's a super do-gooder! Ha! I got you now!
Wait, what?
Dogman! Wait, no! Stop me! Oh! Why is the music still going? Don't worry, I'll save your child! No! Petey, come here! My middle Petey! Dogman! No, little Petey!
No, Dogman.
What the frick was that voice you just did? Wait, huh? Dogman, they're taking me! Help! Right till I can't no more. I got the... I'm back on! Dogman, get up! Come on, get on! Man, I don't trust you! You may not trust me, but we can go after Little Petey together! Look, if we don't go now, we're gonna lose him! Come on, please! That's not true! You can take me to jail later, I promise! You promise? Yes, I promise! Okay, I'll trust you! But you better be teaming up with me! Ow, my hand hurts! Partners? Sure! Disgusting! Sure, sour cream! You're sure who's next? Back then! Hero Dog, Evil Cat, they're teaming up together! Here we go! All for once in color! What the frick was that?